Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about the hunk and chunk EW. Do you know what EW says? It says ooh, like grew. So before we get started, let's go ahead and review our old hunk and chunks. We're going to say the sound and the picture. So we'll say ch, like chair, sh, like shoe, th, like that, w, like whale, th, like thumb, qu, like queen, f, like the floss rule. Remember, it's a short vowel marker. Another short vowel marker. L, s, short vowel marker. Z, short vowel marker. Remember, that means that the vowel that is right in front of these two letters is going to make its short sound. Ing, like king. Ang, like bang. Ong, like gong. Ung, like hung. Ank, like tank. Ink, like ink. Onk, like honk. Unk, like skunk. And remember that ed suffix can say d or t or id. This means that there's a root word in front of this. Now we have the A and the magic E. So A consonant E says A, like cake. I, like bike. O, like globe. U, like mute. E, like Steve. Now this means that there's a letter right here. Sometimes there's a letter right here. And this means that it's an open syllable. Remember, when it's an open syllable, that means he's going to scream out his name. So this would say A, like acorn. E, like he. I. Can you think of a word that has an I as an open syllable? I can't think of one right now. O, U, like unicorn. F, like phone. K. Remember, this is also a short vowel marker. E, like eat and stream. O, like soap. A, like male. E, like tree. A, like play. O, like toe. Like fern. Like bird. Like burn. Ow, like clown. Ow, like cloud. I, like light. R, like star. Or, like horn. O, like snow. Oo, like zoo. Like hood. And now remember, this Y, when it's at the end of the word, can say I, like cry, or E, like baby. Usually if it's a two-syllable word, it says E, and if it's a one-syllable word, it says I. Now this is to remind us that G has two sounds. It can say J and G. It says J, that's called its soft sound when it's followed by I, E, Y. So we can say this saying, I, E, Y, soft as pie. This same thing works for the letter C when it has two sounds. There we go. C says S when it's followed by I and E and Y. I, E, Y, soft as pie. So here it would say J, like cage. DGE says J, like fudge. Aw, like straw. Aw, like autumn. Aw, like ball. Oi, like oil. Oi, like boy. Ch, like catch. Remember, if it has a T in front of it, it's a short vowel marker. So this vowel that's right here in front of it, it's always going to be short if we have a TCH. And here we're to our EW that says ooh, like grew. So there's more than one way to spell the oo sound. Did you know that? There's 3 ways we're going to talk about today that say oo. We can see that it's not the most common way because there's a hole right here. So the most common way to spell oo is O-O, like zoo. We can also spell oo when U is an open syllable, like unicorn, unicorn. That's not a very good example, is it? More like humid. Ooh. Sometimes a long U sounds like U, just like when we have a U super silent E, like mute. It kind of sounds like a ooh instead of a U. Mute. All right, so now let's talk about where we find EW in a word. It's never at the beginning of a word. It is sometimes in the middle of a word, like strewn, and a lot of times it's at the end of the word, like chew. Okay, so here's some words that have the EW. Let's read through these together. Shrew, crew, blue, steward. You read it. Shrew, crew, blue, steward. This is a shrew. I did not know what a shrew was. I had to look it up. It's an animal that looks kind of like a mole. Brew, chew, flew, crewel. You read it. Brew, chew, flew, crewel. I did not know what crewel was either. It kind of sounds like the word cruel, like when somebody's mean, but that's a 1-syllable word, cruel. This is 2 syllables, crewel. It's a special kind of yarn that people use to embroider. It looks like this. Read these with me. Drew, slew, screw, withdrew. You do it. Drew, slew, screw, withdrew. Do you know what slew means? Slew means you have a whole bunch of something. So if I have a slew of baseball cards, that means I have a lot. Strew, threw, strewn, do. You read it. Strew, threw, strewn, do. Strew means you scatter something all over the place. Like sometimes my desk looks like this, doesn't it? There's like someone strew papers all over it. And we use this to describe it as an adjective. The papers were strewn all over the desk. So next, we are going to tap out some words together and practice writing words that have the oo sound. So our first word is shrew. So let's do it just like we do at school. Shrew, 1 syllable. Tap it out. Sh, r, oo. Write it. Sh, r, oo. Good. Next word is brew. Brew, 1 syllable. Tap it. B, r, oo. Write it. B, r, oo. Brew. Next word, drew. 1 syllable. D, r, oo. D, r, oo. Good. Next word is strew. 1 syllable. Tap it. S, t, r, oo. Write it. S, t, r, oo. Strew. Next word is crew. 1 syllable. Tap it. K, r, oo. Write it. K, r, oo. Crew. Next word is chew. 1 syllable. Tap it. Ch, oo. Write it. Ch, oo. Next syllable, or next word, is slew. Slew. 1 syllable. Tap it. S, l, oo. Write it. S, L, oo. Next word is through. Through. One syllable. Tap it. R, oo. Write it. R, oo. Next word is blue, like you blew out the candles. Clap it. Blue. One syllable. Tap it. B, l, oo. Blue. Write it. B, l, oo. Blue. Next word, flew. Flew. One syllable. Tap it. L, oo. Now write it. L, oo. Good. Next word, screw. Screw. One syllable. S, k, r, oo. Write it. S, k, r, oo. Screw. Next word, strewn. Strewn. One syllable. S, t, r, oo, n. Strewn. Write it. S, t, r, oo, n. Strewn. Next word is withdrew. Withdrew. Two syllables. First syllable is with. W, I, f. Write it. W, I, f. Second syllable is drew. Tap it. D, r, oo. Write it. D, r, oo. Withdrew. And our last word is do. Do. One syllable. Tap it. D, oo. Write it. D, oo. Very good. All right, now we have the hang of the EW words. Let's review some of the sounds that we were talking about before we left for break. So we talked about OU and OW. Remember, these two both make the same sounds. They both say ow. So we have to figure out when we use OU and when we use OW. Do you remember? Does OU ever go at the beginning? Yes, it does. Does it ever go in the middle? Yes, it does. And does it ever go at the end? No way. And now we have this ow. Does it ever come at the beginning? Not very often, like the word owl. How about the middle of a word? Remember, there's a special rule for ow in the middle when it's spelled with an OW. It only gets two letters. Do you remember which ones? L and N. So if the ow sound is followed by L or N, we're going to use OW. And does OW go at the end of words? Yes. Okay, we also talked about AU and AW. Remember, their rules were the same as OU and OW. So that means AU goes at the beginning and the middle, not at the end, and AW goes at the beginning and in the middle, only when it's followed by L and N, and at the end is most common. Very good. All right, so now we're going to practice writing some OU and OW words to get our brains remembering how to spell those things. So the first word we're going to tap and write is shout. So shout, tap it. Sh, ow, t, write it. This is what you should have. All right, next word, crown. Crown. One syllable, tap it. K, r, ow, n. Write it. K, r, ow, n. This is what you should have. Next we have plow. Plow. One syllable, tap it. P, l, ow. Write it. P, l, ow. The ow sound is at the end of the word, so we're going to use the OW. All right, next word is crouch. Crouch, one syllable, tap it. K, r, ouch. It's in the middle. Is it followed by an L or an N? No. So what are we going to use? OU. So ouch. And it should look like this. All right. Last OUOW word is browse, like your eyebrows. Browse, one syllable, tap it. Ow-s. Now we have an ow sound in the middle of the word. It's not followed by an L or an N, but this S is actually a suffix. It's meaning more than one brow. So technically that root word of brow, the ow is at the end. So we're going to use, that's right, OW. So ow, OW, s. You write it ow, s. This is what it should look like. All right, now let's review AU and AW real quick. Just 5 more words to go and you will be all done. First word is August. August. We have 2 syllables this time. First syllable, aw. Second syllable, gust. G-u-s-t. Gust. So write first syllable aw, second syllable g-u-s-t. This is what it should look like. Hopefully you remember to put a capital A because it's a proper noun, darling. Next we have straw. Straw, one syllable, tap it. S-t-r-aw. Write it. S-t-r-aw. The aw's at the end of the word, so we're going to use a W. Should look like that. Next word is pawn. Pawn, one syllable, tap it. P-aw-n. Write it. P-aw in the middle of the word, but it's followed by an N, so we're going to use a W. N. You should have this. Fault. Fault, one syllable, tap it. F-aw-l-t. Tap it again. It's followed by an L, but not a plain old L. Remember, it only gets plain old L and plain old N. This one has an LT blend, so guess what? AU gets it. Should look like this. And last word for today is outlaw. Outlaw. It's a compound word. First syllable, out, tap it, out. Write it. Second syllable, law, all. Should look like this. Law. Very good. All right, that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked your EW phonics lesson, and I hope to see you all very, very soon.